First piece was, the drone enabled a way to collect information in a way that couldn't be done in the past. Now there was a tool that can collect information on the outside of a building that made it safe and affordable. And but going forward, the key cost driver for us is the analysis. And so we're investing in AI and machine learning to take those weeks down to days and days down to hours. And so we can continue to drive down the cost of the inspection, and it allows the customer, the end user, to do inspections on a more regular basis. Because the sooner you have the data, the quicker you got to identify the problem, the cheaper and easier it is. So we want to make that process much more affordable and continue to drive down that cost. The next piece is using the data. We would go into a campus, we do 100 buildings, we would find that 80% of them had issues, and we would find hundreds of issues, 400 or 500 issues. And now a manager's got to go through them, prioritize, and figure out who's going to go up there and double check and make sure it's a real issue, who's going to repair it, where am I going to get the budgeting for that. And so our software is providing that next step in the value chain, which is giving them an interface that's easy to use. It gives them like a God's eye view of the campus, shows them easy visual cues of where the problems are. And now they can dive into, understand what it is, and get help in estimating what it's going to cost to repair it or fix that area. We're just kind of building off what the drone does best, is providing great information. And how do we make that information cheaper and easier to obtain, and how do we make it easier and more effective to use in our everyday life?